I surveyed a number of business owners. These were all business owners who were very well versed using Infusionsoft. They were people who understood sales funnels. They understood how to use online tools, marketing automation to generate leads. Now, these were not people who knew membership sites. They weren't people that had used tools like Memberium to build online courses. And so I asked them one question in particular. What is your biggest frustration when it comes to hiring a membership site provider? And I got a lot of similar questions, or a lot of similar answers. One person said, I don't know what it takes to build one, and it's hard for me to understand what all it takes to do this. I had another person that said, my biggest concern is having the budget continually grow and not getting results. And then another customer said, what's really frustrating to me is having someone convince you they understand membership sites, and then when it comes time to deliver, they fall short. So I can understand that anxiety, especially since most business owners that I know have had some sort of technology mishap, mistake, fiasco happen to them. So when they're coming up and interviewing or talking or vetting a membership site provider, in the back of their mind, they're going, oh my God, is this going to be another one of those nightmares? So I completely understand that situation. You're jumping into a space that's outside of what you know. You do know online marketing, but now you're jumping into technology that's different, that's unknown, and it's a set of, vendor vetting issues that that you're not familiar with. So that's why I've set up a mini course called Building and Selling Online Courses Profitably, and I want to say the emphasis is on profitably, because what I've done is I've outlined in a short 5-video course. It takes maybe about 20 minutes to complete. You typically don't finish it all in one sitting, but it's pretty straightforward, and it gives you a lot of the foundational things that we know you have to know when you're building an online course, so that when you jump into a Memberium, LearnDash, Infusionsoft project, you really have a lot of things in mind that we know as people who build membership sites, 3 or 4 of these a month, that you have to do. So it kind of, I want to say, reduces your tunnel vision or your blind spots, opens it up a little bit. So as you move forward, you can feel a little bit more comfortable about taking that step and knowing that you understand enough about what it is that you're trying to accomplish, so that you're less insecure, so to say, about moving forward with your membership site. So take a look. This is a program for you if you're an Infusionsoft user moving in that direction, and we hope this is a good resource for you.